welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Liana. Today I'm going to be continuing a series that I accidentally left for over a year. My bad. I have really bad memory. So this is a series about how to pair color, and today I'm going to be doing two looks featuring the color purple. So in look number one, I'm going to be pairing purple with its opposite on the color wheel, which is yellow. And then in this look here, I'm just going to be doing whatever I want, pairing it with whatever colors I want. And just kind of, I do this with every color that I've done so far, just to show you that you can pair any color with pretty well any other color and have it turn out okay. So if you want to see these two looks, then just stick around. I'm starting off look number one with a matte warm purple shade in the crease on a big fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take a shimmery blue purple on the inner and outer portion of the lid, as well as the lower down through the crease, and I'm going to start building a halo eye shape. When creating a halo eye, it is important to leave the center of the lid bare so that you can add a second shade later on. I'm just choosing to go over through the crease with my original crease shade just to clean everything up a little bit. This is optional if you're happy with the way things look. For that center space on the lid, I'm going to take a metallic yellow. You could say it's a gold, I think it's a metallic yellow. And I'm going to use the same packing brush to pat that all over the lid, and I am using this wet. I'm also going to take that metallic yellow on a very thin brush through the crease just to add a little bit of detailing. On the lower lash line, I'm just going to use that first matte purple shade that we used in the crease. For the inner corner and brow bone, I'm taking this really cool shade that's like a metallic yellow, green, orange. It's really pretty. And just on top of that, on the inner corner only, I'm taking a white gold glitter shade just for a little bit of sparkle. And of course, finishing up with a coat of mascara, just using a single coat here. So this is a close-up of the eyes for look one. To finish off the rest of the face, I'm going to use an eyeshadow as a blush today. This is kind of a matte lilac shade, and I'm going to use kind of a blush draping technique around the temples to create kind of a fairy look. Directly on top of where I've applied my blush, I'm also going to use a really shimmery pink highlight. For lips, I'm going to use a bright purple matte lipstick. And add a little bit of gold sparkle on top of that with a gold sparkle lip gloss. And this is the full face. I felt like a goth fairy queen. For the start of look two, I'm taking a matte dusky pink. There's really no other way for me to describe this shade. It's not a pure pink, and I'm putting that in the crease with the fluffy brush that I used in look one. On the outer corner of the lid, I'm taking a shade that's kind of a pink bronze metallic. It's not just pink, it's not just bronze, it's both, and it's really pretty. For the rest of the lid, I'm taking a shade that can only be described as a purple toned taupe. I hope you enjoy my descriptions of these shades. Some of these shades are really hard to describe. And this is kind of a shimmer, not so much a metallic. Lower down in the crease, I'm taking a red toned pink and just kind of making it a smoother blend between the lid shades and the crease shade. I'm blending everything out with the first brush and the first crease shade for good measure. Taking this metallic pastel lilac on my finger, I'm just going to tap that over the purple taupe shade that's on my lid. This is going to make it look like it has a little bit more of a duochrome purple shift to it, which is neat. On the lower lash line, I'm going to take a warm purple matte shade. It's almost leaning towards fuchsia, but not quite. For the inner corner, I'm taking a pastel periwinkle shade that's a nice, beautiful shimmer. And a beautiful white peach duochrome for the brow bone highlight. To bump up the blue tone on the inner corner, I'm taking this blue duochrome shade and putting that right on top. On the top lash line, I'm just going to take a glitter liner that's in a lilac purple shade and just create a simple line. It's not a winged liner, just a simple line. And I'm also going to take a purple mascara by the same brand. Again, one coat. That's all I ever do is one coat. This is a close-up of the eyes for look number 2. Now to finish off the rest of the look, I'm taking a matte cool-toned mauve blush in a traditional blush placement. And following that up with a blue-purple highlight on the top of the cheekbones. Finally, for lipstick, I'm taking a creamy mauve lipstick that matches my blush. And this is the final result for look 2. So those are the 2 looks I came up with for the color purple. I hope you enjoyed them. If you'd like to see more in this series, then you can click down below. I am going to be continuing it this time, I promise. If you'd like to see other videos, you can see the playlist down below. If you'd like to subscribe, there's a button where you can do so, and if you don't want to, that's okay. I hope you're staying safe and well, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, everyone.